Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at the OHTO MF-20K3B multi-pin. And as with all multi-pins, I'm always super curious to take a look at this one. Now, let's see. This one, pretty sure... Oh, it does have a pencil. Alright, so this one, let's check it out. So, it was like 20 bucks on Amazon. I'll include a link in the description if you want to check it out. And as we can tell from, that'll focus, as we can tell from this price tag, it looks like it was 2,000 yen. So, probably in the $20 range. Not too bad. So, we have a needlepoint pin. So, OHTO MF-20K3B. And the release is here. Do we have a pencil? Do we have an eraser? Yeah, we got an eraser. Alright. So, for the red, OHTO MF-20K3B. And then let's check out the pencil. Alright, so for the pencil. Ooh. Oops. Accidentally hit the little release. The OHTO MF-20K3B. Alright, you know what's kind of weird about this? The pencil actually felt smoother than the pins. So it's got knurling down here on the barrel, and it's got like a hexagonal upper barrel. And we saw the eraser earlier. Let's see. It's supposed to have a brass body, and let's see. It wants to roll away. Refill wise, let's take a look at this. I can get hold of one of them. So refill wise, looks like standard D1s. That's not too bad. I wasn't super crazy about the, let me see inside. I wasn't super crazy about the feel of the refills, like the way they wrote. It wasn't so bad. But it feels like a relatively substantial pen. I mean, it's reasonably heavy. It's got a little, actually, the only jiggle noise comes from the thing up here, the release. So, I don't know. It's not too bad. I'm not crazy about that. I never really cared much for that form of release. I like it better than the one where you actually push on the clip itself. But I don't know. What do y'all think? Have y'all tried out this one? Do you like it? Not like it? Neutral? It's not bad. It feels substantial. It doesn't feel like a cheap pen. And at 20 bucks, it's not a bad deal, I don't think. I guess it's just more personal preference on... It's like, do you like the knurling here? Or not? It doesn't feel too bad to me. Anyway, let me know what you think. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can let me know down in the comments. And also, just as a general, if you're curious, the scratch paper I used is the Bottled City of Candor, because I got it in my head to build a Lego version of the Bottled City of Candor. Anyway, I still haven't done it, but I have pages and pages of research on it. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.